Starting out this year, I want to unbox and show you guys some of the things I got. Yes, I actually got these things December last year, but I have to unbox it to start the new year because I want to be receiving and unboxing new items this year. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with the perfume that I got. This is the Lattafa Yara perfume. I did a video where I unboxed this Lattafa perfume, but not this particular variant. It's actually this one, and it smells really good. I really like this perfume, but I don't really like the scent. I don't know how to put it. I like the scent, but I don't really like the scent. So I decided to try this other Yara perfume. This perfume smells really good. This perfume smells so girly, smells so feminine. It actually has this vanilla scent, kind of. It's not really like strong vanilla scent, but it has vanilla scent, and it smells so sweet. It smells so feminine. It smells really good, even though it doesn't really last for a very long time. It can last for like 3 hours, 4 hours, or even 5 hours, but it smells so good. I love it more than this one, trust me. I'm actually getting this again and again and again this 2026. I got this one for the price of 21,000 naira. That was how much I got this for as well. I think, yes, 21,000. So let me know in the comment section, have you tried this perfume before? What do you think about this perfume? Do you like the scent? Does it last long for you? Moving on is the First Fast Soothing Facial Toner. Oh my god, I've come again this year with First Fast products. But anyway, it's not a bad thing as long as it's working. That's the most important thing. This is actually a soothing toner. So this toner, I actually got it on days that I want to, exfoliate my skin. I just want something that will calm my skin after exfoliation. This is why I got this toner, the First Fast Soothing Facial Toner. It says here, helps brighten and smooth for a more radiant complexion. It contains niacinamide and is alcohol free. So I'm looking forward to trying this toner, and I hope it gets the job done for me. It says here, smooth and brighten your skin without stripping, essential moisture with a soothing facial toner infused with calming um chamomile, maybe chamomile, soothing aloe vera and honeysuckle. It helps tighten and refine enlarged pores for a radiant complexion. Vegan friendly. Okay, it is still sealed, like it's still sealed here. I've not, you know, opened it yet, and I'll start using it today. Yes, in the evening. It's for the price of 6,000 naira. Yes, I got this for 6,000 naira. This is actually in 200 ml. Okay. Next on my list is the Alpha Skincare Renewal Body Lotion. I've been hearing a lot of good reviews about this lotion for clearing hyperpigmentation and also exfoliating the skin, giving you a brighter skin, and that is the more reason why I got it, because sometimes I just want to apply a lotion that will exfoliate my skin without me having to, use physical scrub or using gloves. Okay. So I'm looking forward to using this. It says here the key benefits: reduces signs of aging, relieves dry skin, leaves skin feeling soft and smooth, helps to support collagen production, even skin tone and texture. It says it helps to support collagen production, and it's still sealed. And I think it has bigger size. This is actually 340 grams. This is 340 grams of this lotion. I think it has the bigger size or the smaller size. I don't know right now, but let's just open it. It's still sealed. Oh my god, how will I open this? How? Let's open this now and see. Oh my god. I think it's really moisturizing, but I can't perceive anything, like it doesn't have any scent. I got this for the price of 16,000 naira. I'll be using it 2 times in a week since it's an exfoliating body lotion. It actually contains 12% glycolic acid. Next items that I got are exfoliating gloves. Yes, I always use exfoliating gloves. So some days that I don't use maybe this alpha lotion to exfoliate my skin, I will just go in with exfoliating gloves. So this one is for my face. this one, I'll be using it for my face. I got it for 500 naira in the local market. Then this one, I love the packaging. It's so girly. It looks so beautiful. And this one actually comes in different colors, but I just love the black. So this one, how can I put it? It's like this. It comes with this suction thing. Put it on your, stick it to the wall. Then you can go ahead to, like, hang it like this. Hang it like this. Wow, I love it. I love it. And I got this one for 1,500. The next product that I got is the Dove Pink um bar soap. This is a pack, and this pack has 4 in it. I got it for the price of 5,500 for the 4 packs. And it smells so good. Next item I got is the St. Ives hydrating body wash in coconut water and orchid. But this smells really good as well. It smells so fresh. If you want to feel fresh, that kind of vibe, this is that body wash for you. And I got this one for the price of 6,000 naira. Yes, this one is Naseem oil. Yes, I actually made a video where I unboxed Naseem oil that I said I was looking forward to trying it to see if it's worth the hype on TikTok and other social media platform. And trust me, it's worth the hype. This oil will last on your skin for days. Even when you wash your clothes, you still be perceiving it. Give a link of the video where I unboxed this one. This is Naseem oil in is it Bushra? I don't know. This one, see, is finished. Like, it's remaining very little here. Then I went ahead to get this one, and I'm obsessed. I think I'm obsessed with this one more than this one. I think this is a very concentrated um perfume oil, and it smells so different, and it will last for days. I mean days. It smells so good. Imagine when you are done applying your body oil and you now pair it with this perfume oil. Trust me, it will smell so sweet. It has other variant. There is this other one that is blue, that it actually makes you feel fresh. Makes you feel it has this fresh, clean scent. This one smells so good. It smells so different. This one is in Mohalat. Mohalat. Is it Mohalat? This one is in Bushra. This one is Moharat. Bushra, Moharat. These two right here are my babies. I love them so much. Next item I got is my all-time favorite sanitary pad from Softcare. Yes, I love this pad so much. I'm that girl that whenever I want to see my period, from the first day to the third day, second day, I always have a very heavy flow. From the third day to the fifth day is just normal to, very little flow. So I got this. I always love to use this soft care sanitary pad. It contains 18 pieces of normal flow pads and 7 pieces of heavy flow pads, plus 5 pieces of pants liners, even though I don't really use panty liners like that. So this one right here, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So this one in the middle, the one that has like purple green color, is for heavy flow, while these ones are for normal flow. Then we also have sanitary and panty liners in between. I don't know, let me see if I can see the panty liners. These are the panty liners. Has about 5 pieces of panty liners. So these are the panty liners in here. It lasts me for a month for a flow, for a period. Still have some pieces to use for my next period. You understand what I mean? You see this part right here? It has my hat. It has my hat, and I got it for the price of 2,200 in the supermarket. I know if I go to the local market, it will be cheaper. I also got body spray, the confetti body spray. I always love the confetti body spray. I've even used, this is the last one that I used, confetti London in secret. When I saw this one, I said, oh, I'm going to try it, and I love the scent. This is the confetti London in cherry, and this is the confetti London in Maya, and I love this one so much. You see this particular one, I love the scent. It smells so fresh and clean, so sweet. I love the scent so much. I love confetti body spray so much. Like I've used almost all the variants of the confetti body spray. I love their body spray so much. It smells so divine, and this one also smells like cherry itself. Yes, it smells so good. I love it so much, and I got it for the price of 3,500. Up close, I love the scent. Trust me. I also got the Nivea Men Dry Impact. This is the antiperspirant that I use. The Nivea Dry Comf Impact roll on. This is what I use, and it's actually really nice. It lasts really long. It helps to control sweat on my underarms. I got it for the price of 2,100, and this is one roll on that I always go back to. I always buy this roll on. I always go back to buying this roll on, even though I'm looking forward to trying this Cosmo roll on that is currently trending, that everybody has been talking about, how it helps in clearing underarm, dark underarms and all. I'm still looking for that roll on. I've not seen it, and I need it. I want to try it out. But for now, I still got my Nivea Men um Dry Impact roll on. There are other variants of it that are for women, but I've tried other variants and I still fall back to this because other variant doesn't really last as this one. So I always fall back to using this one. Now I want to show you this dress that I got. It's a very beautiful dress. The fabric is wool. It has this thing here that I love so much. I really love. This is what caught my attention. This right here is so beautiful. The chest area has buttons that I can just open, to show some skin. I got this one for 28,000 naira. I just got it from a random boutique on my way coming back. I also got this pair of slippers. One day we are going to buy the real Hermes, okay? In Nigeria and packaging, they always want to package and put one brand name so it will look as if it's the real thing. Very beautiful, comfortable slippers that I can't wait to rock. And it's actually very solid. Like, it's very solid, very of a very good quality. I got this one for 19,000 naira. Yes, I got. Then last but definitely not the least is another pair of slippers. This one I got it, and this slippers I got them from Balogun Market, Lagos Island. Also a very beautiful pair of slippers. Tell me this is not pretty, and it's also of a very good quality. Tell me this is not pretty. I got this one for 11,500. Yes, it's of a very good quality and really strong. It's that kind of slippers that I will wear for a long time. Yes, so that is everything I got. Let me know in the comment section which of these items caught your attention. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now will be the perfect time for you to subscribe to my channel, on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I bring it to you on this channel this new year. And I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.